Best hair spa. Number 5. White Lotus Professional Keratin Hair Spa Treatment. Approx price 599 rupees. Eliminates impurities inside pores and repairs damaged hair. 100% high quality and good product. Help to reduce the frizziness in hair. It nourishes the roots and revitalizes the scalp that balance natural hair growth. It is a good experience for many hair problems like dandruff, scalp conditioning, hair loss and many more. Number 4. NutriGlow Hair Spa Cream with Keratin Repair Formula for all hair types. Professional care. 500 gram. Approx price 299 rupees. Deep root nourishment. Simulates blood circulation. Smooth glow to the hair. Free of parabens and harmful chemicals. Number 3. Jovis Herbal Argan Oil Hair Spa Mask for dry and frizzy hair. Approx price 475 rupees. Material features natural. Hair type dry damaged. Number 2. Hair Spa Repairing Cream Bath 490 gram. Approx price 393 rupees. Hair Spa Repairing Cream Bath 490 gram. Number 1. Indus Valley Deep Nourishing Hair Spa with Keratin Hair Ultima Spa 175 ml. Approx price 224 rupees. Deep Nourishing Hair Spa Cream. Powerful hair and scalp revitalizer. Goodness of 12 super exotic organic herbs. Affordable and unisex. Cruelty free and vegan ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.